Welcome to the fifth lesson of the Living Things series. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify major indices of growth changes in living things, explain the stages in the development of humans. The physical growth of living things, such as weight and height, is an irreversible increase in the size of an organism. Development, on the other hand, is the progressive change in the structure and function of an organism. The development of an organism is usually noticed in attributes like learning, skills, thinking, emotional and social abilities of the organism. Growth in living things differs based on the type of organism. Growth in plants is restricted to special areas known as the meristematic tissues. They are present at the root tip and shoot apices, while growth in animals takes place all over the body. Growth is not continuous throughout life in most animals. However, animals such as lobsters and fish grow throughout life, even though growth reduces at old age. Secondly, growth in plants is directly influenced by such external factors as sunlight, temperature, and so on. But growth in animals is usually not directly influenced by such external factors. Major indices of growth changes in living things include 1. Heredity. These are characteristics or biological traits an organism gets from its parents. This includes body structure, height, and so on. 2. Gender. The gender of an organism influences its growth. For example, male baboons are physically larger than females. 3. Nutrition. Growth is directly related to nutrition. Every organism requires an adequate supply of nutrients for its normal growth, and these nutritional requirements vary with the phase of development. 4. Pollution. According to studies, air pollution not only affects the respiratory organs but also has harmful effects on the growth of organisms. Growth and development occur together. Growth continues from birth, while development differs at various stages in the life of an organism. In human beings, development happens when the human is ready or able to perform a particular function which has to do with the development of various systems in the body. For example, digestive, skeletal, and muscular systems. There are 5 basic stages in the development of humans. They are 1. Infancy. This is the period from birth to 18 months. It is one of the most rapid periods of physical growth. Intellectual development is also rapid during this time. 2. Childhood. This is the stage before puberty. Individuals can stand on 2 legs, walk, and run. There is an increase in activities and playing with toys. The child speaks a few words, could make requests, and obey commands. 3. Puberty. This is the transition stage from childhood to adolescence. This stage marks development of secondary sexual features. 4. Adolescence. This is a stage before adulthood in which an individual is neither a child nor an adult. It is characterized by further increase in body size and organs. There are also increased skills and dexterity, attempts to discover identity. 5. Adulthood. This is the stage of full maturity. This begins when the body undergoes full physical and sexual changes that makes humans mature. Late adulthood may indicate signs of old age, including gray hair and bending of the body. Capacity to reproduce may also reduce. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Today, we have learned about indices of growth changes in living things and the basic stages of development in humans. See you in the next lesson.